Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this lovely lemon, mustard, and honey chicken. Here I have a medium-sized chicken, and what I'm gonna do here, this is already washed, so I'll take you through the process with a list of ingredients I'm gonna use in this. So I'm gonna start with the wet ingredients here. I have some green season. That's what I made up. Actually, I have a video on this also. I'm going to put a bit of jerk marinade in this. But this recipe is my personal recipe. So I'm working on my wet bit of mustard. Now, it depends on the amount of mustard you want. You will be able to put the amount you can manage. Here, I'm going to go in with some honey. So that's enough. And next I'm going to add like a lemon in this. You don't have to worry about the seeds and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a spoon. So this is our wet ingredients. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to work on the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients, I have in this paprika, bit of nutmeg, a bit of salt, coriander, and I just grind them up together, and a bit of garlic in this. So you can just make your own all-purpose or your dry rub to go on your season. So now we're back over to our chicken, and what I'm gonna do is gonna turn him over, and this is personal preference. So I'm just pouring it a bit of lemon all over your chicken. So this, I already wash it, but this is part of my personal recipe. Just get some fresh lemon juice over this. Next up, I have a bowl here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna put my chicken in, and then we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. Be generous with this, because once you start baking in the oven, what's gonna happen, you're gonna lose some of the season anyway. Make sure you're getting all over. Next up, we have our wet. So we're just gonna put all of this on that. We're gonna marinate, rubbing it properly. Make sure you get all your marinade in. Very important. So with this now, I'm just gonna cover this up and leave it for probably about an hour or two. Then we move to the next stage. So the next thing is we have our baking tray here. So we're just gonna take our chicken. We're gonna spread them out on this. And over this, I'm just gonna drop some more dry rub over this. Very important, because what a lot of people don't realize, when you bake like this, you're gonna lose some of the season anyway. So you have to make sure put a little bit extra. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them straight in the oven on about 250 degrees for about 35 minutes, and then I'll check. So this, what I'm doing here is some green season. I put in this. So this, you can use it on actually anything you want to use it on. I'm just making up a sauce, bit of chili in this, bit of paprika, some all-purpose season. I'm gonna put some ketchup in this, bit of sweet chili. I'm gonna put a splash of soy in this, personal preference. You don't want to use that in it, no pressure, don't use it. So that's your sauce. You can use this on your jerk, on your peri peri chicken, whatever you want to put to this. This is versatile. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just brushing some of the sauce over it. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove it. So now our chicken is out of the oven. And this is what it looked like. Ladies and gentlemen, if this is of any value to you, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Thanks for watching.